Hi, it's Adam from Hearns. We're at the Hobby Man. Today we have the RC Surfer from Kyosho. This is the fourth installment from the RC Surfer range. So let's get the unboxing done. We'll get the product out, have a build, and then we'll take it down to the lake and give it a try. So let's get the unboxing. So in the first box we have the actual surfboard. Very well packaged. It's actually got a bit of weight to this surfboard. So there we have the surfboard. We have our BJ Surfer rubber pads. We have a spare rudder, looks like a little hook tool, screwdriver, spare screw, little Allen key in there. We have our aerial, looks like a spare servo horn, some rubber O-rings. We have our radio, and then our USB charger. So first step is we'll grab our screwdriver. There's the inside of our surfer there. So obviously battery will sit here. Comes with a waterproof ESC. Waterproof servo. Step to get the little guy mounted, you've got two little screws here that you need to undo. In the bottom of his feet there's a small little bar that you need to put the rubber O-ring over. You need to then grab the little black mount that sits on top of the board and hook that into the rubber O-ring. Once you've done that, then you got to try and locate the screw back into the little black housing or mount, and then screw it back up tight. Then he's just rubber mounted, and he'll just move around on the board like so. Also in the packet you've got the black strips, which are reinforcement rubber strips for his arms and his legs. In rough conditions they say that he can sort of pull off an arm or something. So we've gone and put those on as well. So they're just a little black strip you cut to size, and it just goes around his arms and around his legs, as you can see here and here. So now we've just got the battery on charge, and once that's finished charging we'll take it out to the lake. Right, we're down here at the lake. We've got the RC Surfer, or BJ. That's probably just quarter throttle. It's actually quite stable. That's about half throttle. That's full speed there. We're only on a 7.2 volt nickel metal. It can take a 2-cell LiPo. Actually, it's pretty stable. do some pretty sharp turns. So there we have the first run of the Kyosho RC Surfer.